Hi, welcome to my channel Design Virtuals. In this channel, I am going to show you a various designs of houses, different kinds of houses virtually. Not only houses, I will show you a home decors, mini house crafts and how to make a home beautiful in a small space. Now, you will be watching a traditional 3 BHK house. Here we have a small portico where you can chit chat with our friends and neighbors. This is a living room, guest living room. There is a sofa, Buddha frame to the wall and one plant on the teapot and some decor items on the wall. There is a simple fall ceiling over here. This is a family living room where you can see a TV set, sofa, beanbag, aquarium, Buddha frame and some photo frames on the wall. From here you can go to outside. Opposite to the door of this living room, we have one tulsi plant which is very essential to the house. This is a study room where children can study here. We have one bookshelf and one study table over here. Here you can see a courtyard which is partially open to the sky. This is the center of attraction to the house where you can plant some plants here. On the top we have one wooden frame and glass frame above that. Glass frame can be automatically opened by the remote control. Now we are in kitchen plus dining room. In In kitchen, we have a kitchen cabinet and crockery set and water purifier and refrigerator. From this, we have one entry to outside. We have a wonderful dining table over here where we can eat our delicious food, and in the corner wash basin. Here we have a multiple shelves where we can keep different kind of things. Coming to the false ceiling of dining room, we have a 3 lamps over the dining table and with wooden finish. This is a master bedroom which is very simple. We are with a beautiful bed over here and wall art and wall frames. We have one Radha Krishna frame here. We have one wardrobe and wall shelf. We have one washroom and dressing room attached to this. We have a simple false ceiling in the master bedroom with a wooden finish. This is the entrance of puja room where you can see a small hanging light over there which gives us a divine finish. Here we have a cradle, Veena on the wall shelf, decor shelf to the wall. This is a guest bedroom with a black and white finish. Here we are with beautiful bed and black and white wall art. There is a decorative shelf to the wall. Here we have a beautiful false ceiling with a black and white finish. To this this bedroom also, we have one washroom and dressing room over here. From this bedroom, we can go to the outside and enjoy our landscape. Between guest bedroom and children bedroom, we have a nice piano set here where we can play our beautiful music. In between the children bedroom and living room, we have a common bathroom here. Now we are at children bedroom. We are with a beautiful bed and wall frames here. Here, there is one pinkish cabinet, small piano set and wall decor. There is some simple fall ceiling over here. We have seen all interiors of a house. Now let's go to outside and see how it is. Here we are seeing two places where we can chit chat with our friends. Either side of a portico, we have a concrete planters where we can plant our beautiful plants. Now we are seeing the whole video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you want to say anything, please comment it in the comment box. And don't forget to share and subscribe. After subscribing, we will have a bell button there. Please press on that. Bye bye. See you in the next video.